Hello friends, today is Sunday special. I'm going to make my country style chicken gravy and South Indian digestive hygienic organic rasam. This is 10. I will remove out the juice. This is for rasam. This is for rasam. South Indian digestive rasam. This is for chicken curry. Hello viewers, now eat half cook. This I'm going to make the shortcut. I add all things should be once at a time. Now I'm going to add the half liter of water. Okay, this is I'm ready for South Indian digestion. This is very good for health, very digestive soup. This is hello viewers. I'm not add too much of chili because white chili is very good for health. Okay, I add all my homemade masala. Okay, there is I'm use more. Okay, this is my breakfast also ready now. Yes, yeah, banana. See, I'm adding coconut. Almost finished. Only 5 minutes. See the taste, salt is okay, finish. Okay, keep height. Hello friends, now I'm going to make the South Indian rasam, digestive rasam. Okay, this juice I'm going to make it. It is add 2 number tomato and 40 gram tamarind, salt, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, pepper 1 teaspoon, pepper powder. Then with tarka. Become ball, close it. Otherwise it taste has gone. See? See, ball started come off. Off. Okay, off it. Finish. Don't boil too much. The taste will gone. Become digestive system of South Indian style rasam is ready.